YUMNAM HUIDROM da LEIBA THANGTA MAHEIKOL da THA ASHIGI HOUKHIBA TANGTA MAPANDAGI HOUDUNA NUMIT mangani CHUPNA CHATHARAKPA Rak Suba Khelo India State Level THANGTA Championship lisingani kunga manga amasung kunga taruk Ngasi Loisan Khre Sports Authority of India NERC Imphal amadi Huyel Lalong THANGTA Association manipur ga puna khutsamnaduna pangthokhiba tournament aduda Langol Lukhoi THANGTA Sindam Shangi President Laishram Ibom Chakhuman World THANGTA Federation ki President Dr. HUIDROM Premkumar Singh, Utra Sanglen Sana Konung Imphal ki Luching Purel, Athopam Ozendro Maitei, THANGTA Federation of India ki former Secretary Thongnauzam Priyokumar Singh Amadi, THANGTA Federation of India ki former Secretary Haikruzam Chababuna Mathangsitna, Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor Oina Sarukyaki. Numit mangani pangthokhiba tournament aduda lamtam masida leiriba tongan ba sindamsang nifugo humdoidagi lakpa punna sanaroi chahunga marfugo nithoina sarukyaki amadi tournament adugi overall team champion THANGTA MAHEIKOL YUMNAM HUIDROM na oiki. First team runners up na Maitai Nongsha THANGTA Heirok na oiki amadi second team runners up na Thoibi THANGTA and Culture Association na Moirang na oiba ngamki.